In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI step by step 2026. We'll move through this from start to finish so you can get Gmail working inside Claude quickly and confidently. Start by opening Claude in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look toward the corner of the screen for the settings icon and open the settings page. This is where all account level features live, including integrations. Inside Settings, find and open the Connectors section. Connectors are secure integrations that let Claude work with your tools, and this is where we'll add Gmail. Next, choose Browse Connectors. That opens the full gallery of available integrations and makes it easy to find exactly what you need. Use the search bar at the top of the gallery and type Gmail. You should see the Gmail connector appear in the results. Select Gmail to open its details page. Here, you can review a brief description of what the connector does and what kind of access it will request. When you're ready, click Connect. A Google sign-in window will open. Choose the Gmail account you want to link and review the requested permissions. These are necessary so Claude can read and organize email as you instruct it. If everything looks good, approve the connection. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the pop-up and try again. After approving, you'll be routed back to Claude with Gmail now linked. From here, head to Configure so you can finalize access and make sure everything is set the way you want. This is your chance to confirm the correct Gmail account is connected and that the integration is active. If your organization has admin controls, you may need approval from an administrator before the connection completes. You can return to this screen anytime to review access or disconnect the integration. With Gmail connected and configured, you're ready to start your prompt. In Claude's chat, be clear about what you want to do with your email. For example, you might say you want a summary of unread messages from today, a list of emails matching a specific subject, or help drafting a reply based on a particular thread. The more specific you are, the better Claude can act on the Gmail connector. Quick tips before we wrap up. If Gmail doesn't appear in the search results, refresh the page and try the search again. If you run into permission errors, double-check you selected the right Google account. And remember, you can always return to connectors to adjust or disconnect access. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to Claude and ready to use.